Welcome to this tutorial on how to do a stop loss on Webull. A stop loss is an essential tool for managing risk and limiting potential losses in trading. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting a stop loss on Webull. First, you need to have a Webull account and be logged into the platform. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trade page of the stock or security you want to set a stop loss for. To do this, type the ticker symbol of the stock in the search bar and select it from the drop-down list. Next, click on the trade button to open the trade page. On the trade page, you will see the current price of the stock and several other options, including the stop loss option. To set a stop loss, click on the Stop Limit tab. In the Stop Limit tab, you will see two fields: Stop Price and Limit Price. The stop price is the price at which you want to trigger the stop loss, and the limit price is the price at which you want to sell the stock once the stop loss is triggered. For example, let's say you bought a stock at $50 and you want to set a stop loss at $45. You would enter $45 as the stop price and $45 as the limit price. This means that if the stock price falls to $45, the stop loss will be triggered, and the stock will be sold at $45. Once you have entered the stop price and limit price, click on the Review button to review your order. Make sure all the details are correct, including the stop price and limit price, and then click on the Confirm button to confirm the order. It's essential to note that there are two types of stop loss orders on Webull: Stop Limit and Stop Market. A stop limit order will sell the stock at the limit price or better, while a stop market order will sell the stock at the current market price. Best practices for using stop loss on Webull include setting a stop loss at a price that is reasonable based on the stock's volatility, monitoring your stop loss orders regularly, and adjusting them as needed. It's also essential to keep in mind that stop loss orders are not guarantees and may not limit your losses in all market conditions. In conclusion, setting a stop loss on Webull is a straightforward process that can help you manage risk and limit potential losses. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set a stop loss on Webull and start protecting your investments today. Remember to always monitor your stop loss orders and adjust them as needed to ensure you are using this tool effectively.